Sige? So, ayan lang, no? So, for the next chapter, ito yung mga i-discuss natin, no? Kasi kung meron na tayong multi-force member, meron nang lalabas dyan na shearing at saka bending moment. So, i-discuss natin yan sa next na chapter. But before tayo mag-proceed doon, dito muna tayo sa frame, no? So, let's have an example dito sa frame. Before that pala, makikita nyo yung picture dito, no? Ito siya is a frame because one member here, dalawa pala sila is multi-force member, no? Isa pa. Ito. We have a pin connection at A and B here, no? And then we apply, sabihin natin, a known force P, and then a Q natin dito. Ilang reactions meron tayo dito? We have tigda dalawa, no? So we have 4 unknowns. And how many equilibrium equations do we have? We have only 3, no? 3 lang. So ano yung gagawin natin dito? So kung i-analyze natin yung system na to using our knowledge sa mga previous na mga chapters, hindi talaga natin masosolve yung reactions dito. Because we only have 3 equations and then 4 yung unknown dito. So ano yung gagawin natin dito? I-insert natin i-explode natin yung member natin, no? So in order na para makuha yung mga reactions dito, i-explode natin yung member. Somehow, ito na yung view natin, no? Now makikita nyo, we have reactions AX, AY, BX, BY. Kung i-separate natin to, meron tayong internal forces, no? These internal forces, sila yung mga force na responsible na mag-hold sa structure natin. Kung i-analyze natin yan separately, ayan, lalabas yung dalawang unknown dito, CX at saka CY. No? Dito din CX, CY, but opposite in direction. Now, kung i-neglect natin to, and analyze natin dito, ano yung pwede natin gawin? Kung mag-summation of forces tayo at this point, ayan, ano yung makukuha? AX at saka si AY natin. No? Relationship nila. And then, kung mag-summation of moment din tayo dito, BX at saka BY natin. No? And then, ayan. And then, summation of forces along X, we have AX at saka CX, another na pod. And then, we have another relationship dito, AY at saka CY. In relation to that, dito din, we have CX, BY, and then CY, BX natin. No? So, we have 4 equations na. So, for this type of mga problem, masosolve na natin yung mga reactions at the support. No? Mag-equal na yung number of equations sa number of unknowns natin. What we need to do is explode natin yan. So sa 164, yan yung palagi natin ginagawa. No? Wala pa man tayo 164, no? So dito muna tayo. Let's have muna an example. This one. So we have here a frame, no? Composed of member ACE, 2-force member ED, at saka multi-force member BCD. So ano yung hinahanap dito? For the loading shown, determine the force in link DE. Ano daw yung force natin dito? And the components of the force exerted at C, this one here, on member BCD. So, same sa pag-analyze natin, no, kanina, ano yung gagawin natin? We have exploded view natin, no? So, from this figure, first step that we do is to find the reactions of the support, no? So, ito yung mga reactions. And then dito, pin connection, we have AX at saka AY natin, no? And then after that, exploded view natin. So we have 3 members here. Member BCD and ACE and ED. So ayan yung direction. Now take note that when you analyze frames, ayan, ano yung gagawin natin dito? For example, itong connection natin sa C. Ayan. Kung sa figure na to, ginawa mo yung CX as directed papunta doon, it should be that yung connection niya from the other member is the same magnitude but opposite in direction. Okay? So, ayan lang. So, kung ito pataas yung CY, we have here pababa yung CY natin. Okay? So, ayan lang, no? Walang mahirap dito, di ba? We have this connection. Anong connection to? We have FDE. Now, paano natin kukunin yung FDE? Using this figure, pwede tayong mag-summation of moments at point C. Tama? So, sige, sulat natin. We have summation of moment at point C, counterclockwise, positive. So, anong meron tayo dito? We have, maklaro ba? This is 300 Newton papunta doon. This one here is 480 Newton. And then how will we get this angle here? Sabihin natin this alpha, no? So that alpha, the same alpha as with this here, no? Alpha. So if this one here is 80, this one here is 150, alpha is just tan inverse of opposite over adjacent. So we have 80 over 150. So we have here our alpha equal to 28.02 degrees. So ayan lang, no? So sige, solve natin. Summation of moment at point C. We have here negative, negative. And this one here is, papunta doon, we have negative din. So negative lahat, no? So we have negative 300. Ano yung moment arm natin dito? We have 60. We have 480 negative. The moment arm is 100. And then lastly, we have, yung may moment arm niya dito is along Y lang, no? So paano natin makukuha yung along Y? We have sine. Okay? So we have FDE, sine of 28 na lang, multiplied by the moment arm, which is 100 plus 150, we have 250. So multiply natin dito, 250 is equal to 0. This is also negative. Okay, so isolve natin to, makakakuha tayo ng FDE equal to negative 561 Newton. Negative means FDE natin should be in compression, no? So lagyan natin to ng compression. No? 'Di ba sabi natin last time sa trusses, if we have a two-force member, first is we assume that the forces are in tension. Kung negative yung answer, meaning compression. So ayan lang. No? So next, ano yung gagawin? Alam na natin si FDE, so ano yung susunod? Makukuha natin si CY, tama? So summation of forces along Y, positive upward, we have CY minus 480 minus, pila na siya? FDE is 561 sine 28.02. Yan lang, di ba? So we have here equal to 0. Our CY here is equal to 216 newtons. Positive yung sagot natin, meaning tama yung assumption na upward yung CY. Sa ito na FBD, no? Using this FBD or member. And then lastly, we have CX, no? Summation of forces along X, we have positive papunta doon. So we have 300 positive plus CX, and then lastly, we have negative 561 cosine 28.02 is equal to 0. So our CX here is equal to 795 newtons. CY? Wait lang. CY, no? We have 480 negative, CY, and then negative 561. Ay, wait lang. Nabaliktad natin to. Compression, no? Compression pala to. So we have here negative, negative. No? Sorry. But nga na lang lagi natin ng sign dari, no? Para hindi tayo ma-confuse. Pero sa pag-substitute, masayop. Okay na? Tama? Oh. So, ayan lang. Hindi kasi natin to in-erase. Nag-substitute tayo. So, ana na lang. Okay? Erase natin to. So, sige, we have here, determine the components of the forces acting on each member of the frame shown. So, ano yung mga hinahanap dito? Lahat ng mga internal forces dito that holds together our structure. So, ano yung first step natin? Find the reactions at the support. So, alam na natin to, di ba? Paano kunin? We have EX and EY, and then we have here our F. So, paano kunin to? Summation of moments at point E, makukuha si F. Summation of forces along Y, makukuha si EY. Summation of forces along X, we have EX. So, assuming nakuha na natin, no? So, yung EX natin dito, this is 0. Wala namang ibang X dyan, no? And then si EF, assuming na nakuha natin, we have 1,800 newtons. And then si EY natin, we have 600 newtons. Okay. So, ayan. So, ano yung gagawin kapag frames? Exploded view natin yan. So, somehow, yung result is ganito. No? So, we have here member BCD. Ito. So, yung assumption natin is si CX papunta doon, si CY papunta doon, BY pa baba, si BX papunta doon. But kung ikaw yung magsosolve nito, kahit ano yung direction nila, the same pa rin yung makukuha mong answer. Yung magkakaiba lang ng answer natin is yung negative, positive sign. But the magnitude always the same. No? Kahit yung pagkasolve mo dito, si bx papunta doon, hindi pa ganito, the same pa rin yung makukuha natin. So, i-try nyo i-verify kung mag-solve kayo sa bahay. The same yung makukuha magnitude, but opposite yung direction. Magkakaiba lang tayo sa negative, positive sign. Okay? So, ayan. So, sa palagay nyo, saan tayo mag-start dito? Anong member yung mas easier na i-solve? We have, kahit saan, no? Pwede dito muna kasi konti lang yung konti lang yung, hindi masyado complicated tignan, no? Straight line lang, no? So, ano yung pwede natin makuha dito? Summation of forces at, pwede sa B or sa C natin, no? Kung summation of moments pala, no? Summation of moment at B, positive counterclockwise, ano yung makukuha? We have CY, no? So we have here CY, which is positive, and then the moment arm is 2.4, and then negative 2,400 times the moment arm, 3.6, is equal to 0. So ano yung makukuha nating CY dito? It's positive. Tama? Transpose doon, positive. So si CY dyan is 3,600 newtons. So tama yung assumption natin that it's going upward. Okay? And then summation of moment at C. Summation of moment at point C, positive counterclockwise. So anong meron? Okay, BY, which is positive, times the moment arm, 2.4, tama? And then dito we have negative 2,400 times 1.2 is equal to 0. So automatic si BY natin, it's positive, no? So this is positive 1,200 newtons. Okay, nakuha na natin si CY. How about summation of forces along X? Positive papunta doon. Wala tayong makukuha, no? What we have here is just CX equal or minus na lang. Minus BX is equal to 0, or that is CX is equal to BX. So since hindi natin nakuha lahat, proceed tayo sa ibang member. No? So ano yung next na member na pwede nating isolve dito? So ito na lang, no? Kasi ito is medyo complicated, naka-slanting. So mas easier tingnan to. So dito tayo. Now take note na if kung mag-analyze ka dito, if kung yung BX mo papunta doon, and then yung connection niya dito is ito, it should be the same magnitude but opposite ng in direction. No? Okay, masayot gani mo ani. Malas. Okay? So BY papunta doon, so yung BY dito is pataas. So ito yung BX, ito yung BY natin. Now ano pa yung unknown dito? Unknown natin si AX at si AY. No? So lahat ng kukunin natin, AX, AY, BX, BY, CX, CY. No? So ayan lang. So ito, ano yung pwede natin gamitin dito? Moment at A, makukuha natin si BX. Pakuha kay BX, makukuha si CX. So sige, summation of moment at A, positive counterclockwise. Sige daw, anong meron? We have positive BX times 2.7 and then walang moment. Yung E, di ba? So this is 0, no? So we have here BX is equal to 0. Therefore, CX is also equal to 0. Tama? So ayan lang. Now, ano yung susunod? Si AX. Makukuha natin si AX, no? Mag summation of moment at point B. So, i-0 din, no? So, summation of moment at B, positive counterclockwise, we have AX is 0. So, ayan lang. So, ano pang meron? Ito, summation of forces along Y. Summation of forces along Y, positive papunta doon. So, what we have here is negative AY plus BY, which is 1,200. And then lastly, we have plus 600 is equal to 0. Therefore, AY here is 1,800 newtons. Klaro? So, ayan lang. Nakuha na lahat, no? So, okay na. So, mag-exam tayo sa chapter 6 para meron kayong ma-perfect na chapter. Okay na to? Wala nang tanong, no? Wala yung mali sa calculation? Ha? Ito? Yung CX at saka CY? Ito, yung CX natin papunta doon. So, yung pinagdugtungan niya dito. So, ito siya is opposite in direction. Same sila ng magnitude but opposite in direction. No? So, yan yung sabi ko kanina na magkakaiba-iba lang tayo sa negative positive sign but the magnitude is same. Okay? So, ayan lang. Okay na to? But, take note na kung magpapunta ka doon to the right, it should be na dito to the left. Huwag parehain. Okay? So, ayan lang. Sige, last example for this chapter, we have, meron pa pala to, no? Sige lang. For this topic pala, frame, we have the last example, no? We have a 600 pound applied horizontally at point A, no? Ano sabi dito? Determine the forces acting on the two vertical members of the frame. No? So, dito, kung trusses pa to, isection na natin to. Kaso, yung point C is applied at the in between AE, no? So, multi-force to. So, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung method of sections. Okay? So, ano yung gagawin natin dito? Exploded view. No? Ano yung exploded view natin? This one here. No? Now, ano yung first step? Di ba kunin si AX yung mga reactions sa support. Okay? So, ayan lang muna, no? And then the next step is titingnan natin kung ano yung mga two-force member. Okay? And then yung two-force member natin dito, dalawa, AB and CD. So ito, ano yung first assumption natin? The forces applied at the two-force member are all in tension. No? So ito yung pagbabasihan natin ng direction. So therefore, kung tension to siya, yung pinagdikitan niya dito should also be in tension. So away. Opposite but the same in magnitude. Okay, so ayan. So ito din, FAB, ibig sabihin papunta doon. So we have here the ratio of the forces, no? We have 12, 13, 5. Sir, saan yan galing? We have here, i-cut natin to. No, we have this side. Hindi binigay sa ano? This one here is 7.5, tama? No, ito? 7.5. So 10 minus 7.5, we have here 2.5. And then ito siya is 6, tama? So, ano natin, i-ratio and proportions natin, kung i-times 2 natin to, this one here becomes 5. Ito siya, i-times 2 din natin para the same, we have 12. No? So, we have here 5 to, 12 to, therefore, ano to? So, 12 squared plus 5 squared, then square root ng sum nila, we have 13. So, ayan lang. Klaro yan? Gets ba to? 5 at saka 12? No? Sige, erase natin. So, since nakuha na natin yung proportions natin dito, ano yung next step? Pili lang tayo kung anong member yung i-analyze natin. Okay? So, saan yung gusto nyo? Dito or dito? Dito na lang muna. No? So, ano yung gagawin? Pwede tayo summation of moment at point C. No? So, we have summation of moment at point C. Counterclockwise positive. So, anong meron dito? Ito siya, merong moment. So, we have 600 which is negative times the moment arm, 7.5. And then ito din, may moment, di ba? Ano yung moment niya? We have FAB. Since yung may moment lang dito is yung horizontal component niya which is 12. Tama, no? 12 over 13. So, we have here 12 over 13 FAB times the moment arm which is 7.5 din. Positive, negative? Negative. Negative, no? Dito tayo nagmo-moment sa point C. So, clockwise is negative. And then lastly, this one here is, ano yan? EX, no? So, plus EX times 2.5 is equal to 0. So, ayan. So, dalawang variable yung kailangan pala natin dito, no? So, next, we have summation of forces along X. Pwede, di ba? So, sige. Summation of forces along X. Dito, wala muna tayong makukuha kasi dalawa yung unknown. Isa lang yung equation. So, we need another equation para 2 equations to unknowns. No? So, sige. Ano yung pwedeng equation dito? Pwede summation of forces along X. No? So, we have positive papunta doon. We have here 600 positive plus EX. And then, we have also this one here, no? FAB. So, that is positive 12 over 13 pa rin. FAB is equal to 0. Ayan. Magagamit ba natin itong equation na to para ma-solve to? Hindi, no? Nadagdagan na naman ng another unknown here. So we need another equation. Ano kaya? Along y na naman, no? So summation of forces along y, positive papunta doon. So anong meron dito? We have Ey, which is negative 1,000. And then this one here is, ay wait lang, kulang pala to. Kulang ng isa pa, no? Ito, FCD. Taghana na niyo eh. FCD plus 12 over 13 pa rin, no? 12 over 13 FCD is equal to 0. Tama? So, ayan. And then lastly, we have summation of forces along y, positive upward. We have here, ito, no? Negative 1,000. And then this one here is 5 over 13. 5 over 13, which is positive kasi going up yung component niya. And then ito siya is negative. So we have FCD negative 5 over 13. 5 kasi vertical, no? 5 over 13 FAB is equal to 0. So ayan lang, no? How many unknowns do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, and then lastly, we have 4. So, 4. So, hindi pa natin yan masosolve. We need another equation. Kasi if we have 4 unknowns, we should have 4 equations. So, saan pwede tayong kumuha ng another equation? Pwede tayo sa summation of moment at point E, no? So, we have here summation of moment at point E, positive counterclockwise. Anong meron tayo dito? We have negative, no? 600 times the moment arm, which is 10, and then ito naman, we have, pila na siya? Negative din, no? We have 5 over 13 FAB times the moment arm, which is 10. Ay, 12 pala, sorry. Should be 12. 12 over 13. Sige, tama. And then, this one here, we have negative pa rin, no? Negative 12 pa rin. 12 over 13 FCD times the moment arm, 2.5 is equal to 0. So, paano natin ito isa-solve? So, ito, pwede natin ito magamit yung dalawang equation dito, no? Ayan. We have dito yung unknown FCD and FAB. Dito, FAB and FCD. So, pwede natin ito i-rearrange, substitute natin yung FCD dito, makukuha natin si FAB. So, ayan lang, no? So, pwede kang gumamit direksyon na ng calculator. Kasi kung i-manual mo ito na isosolve, baka masayo pa ka, no? So, assuming na na-solve na natin to, we have our FCD and FAB equal to FAB, we have negative 1,040 pounds. And then FCD here is 1,560 pounds. So, ayan lang. So, ito yung gamit nating equation. No? So, knowing FCD, pwede natin itong i-substitute. Dito, no? FAB and FCD, makukuha natin si EX. Okay? So, sulat ko na lang din, no? Substitution naman pang high school, no? So, substitute na lang natin. We have our EX equal to 1,080 pounds. And then, makuha natin si EX. Ano pa yung anong dito? Ayan lang pala, no? Hindi, yung Y, given na yung Y, 1,000. Yung components yung ibig mo sabihin. O, pwede rin FAB na diretso. Okay na yan. So, pwede yung i-component method to or diretso na magnitude. No? So, ayan lang. Ayan lang, no? So, ito nakuha natin sa... wait lang. Ito, given na yung EY, no? And then, given natin si FY here. Ito siya is unknown. Ito din is unknown. So, since nakuha natin si EX, no? Paano natin kukunin si FX? Paano natin kukunin si FX? We have summation of forces along X, no? Very easy lang, no? So we have summation of forces along X, positive papunta doon. So we have here 600 plus EX. EX natin is 1080 plus Fx is equal to 0. So makakakuha tayo ng Fx equal to 480 pounds. Oh, wait lang. Yung EX pala nakuha dito, this is negative. So this one here is negative. So ayan lang.